Welcome back, fellow fans. Welcome back to Millenaire Explained. Millenaire Explained. We are here in a Byzantine town, a military Byzantine town. Check it out, check it out. Got some watchtowers, got some forts. Well, just the one fort. And a forge. Forge. See, last episode we talked about the wool and the silk Byzantine clothes, which are useless to the player. They just add a layer of cool clothing on top of their skins. Well, the villager's skins, not to the player's skins. The player can't use it. But if the player wants some Byzantine stuff, they'll need to come to the forge here, where armor and maces are produced. As you can see, the helmet gives you +3 armor, costs 8 argent, and gives you 512 reputation for buying. The chestplate gives you 6 armor, costs 16 argent, and gives you 1024 reputation for buying. The leggings gives you 8 armor, costs 6 argent, and gives you 384 reputation for buying. And the boots give you 3 armor, costs 4 argents, and gives you 256 reputation for buying. Then there is the Byzantine mace, which does 1.6 attack speed, 6 attack damage, costs 48 argent, and gives you 3072 reputation. Now, something special about the mace, though. Oh, well, actually, can I sell you? No. Something special about the mace. When you buy it, it comes enchanted with knockback 2. It comes with knockback 2. And let's go ahead and give it a test. Let's see here. Zombie pigman. A polar bear. Let's go ahead and test with these. Let's get out of the village. A few hits. It took a few hits, but it was a zombie pigman. Let's check out the polar bear. Ooh, it does a whole swing. Look at that. And there is that. It really tore apart that polar bear. Nice, nice. You could really see the knockback. Look at that knockback. Whoosh. All the way over there. Where did that experience even go? Way over there. Yeah. So that is the weapons and armor of the Byzantine. Come back next time to check out their food. Yeah, let's check out their food next time. Can I not give them this armor? Maybe if I trade through here. Ah. I think I'm going to keep the mace. Bye, fellow fans.